Sandra Crathern in a vision, a health tip for the week. I've just been laughing so much. I love it when that happens. You release endorphins when you laugh, and they are like natural happy pills, stronger than heroin. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love it if people subscribe to my YouTube channel because it means I'm making a difference and someone's listening to me. Okay, what can I talk about today? And it is how to make time for yourself. So many people say to me, oh, well, I ought to be doing this and I should have done that and I was going to do that for myself and this and this got in the way. So do you know what you need to do? You book yourself in first. So I'm on a cruise coming up, going on the Queen Mary. I'm really excited about it and I need to buy a few nice bits of clothes and a swimming costume before I go. Now I could just leave it, and try and find time, and then I'll be full of anger and resentment and frustration because there isn't time for me. So what I did was 2 weeks ago, I looked at my schedule for the next few weeks and thought, actually, there isn't a lot of time here, there and everywhere. But if I look at that day, that's got less on it than that day, and then I pop it in the diary. So it's in there just like any other commitment for any other meeting. And I'm that important that I need to do that. And that's what I'd like you to look at for yourself, that you're that important, that when you want to make time for yourself, you actually put it in the diary as a commitment rather than say, I'd like to do that and I'd like to do that. So that's what I do. And I believe once you start to practice it, start with something small, maybe allocate yourself time to read a book or allocate yourself time to go for a little walk. I've allocated 3/4 of a day to be in another town and have lunch out because it's that important for me. And what's lovely is I don't feel guilty. I don't feel stressed about it. I've put that in. In fact, I'm really looking forward to it because it's me time that I've allocated and put in the diary for myself. So if you really want to make time for yourself, my tip is that you pop it in the diary and you guard it very carefully. So if anyone says to you, can you do this, this or this? Another secret tip is to say to people, I'm really sorry, I'm not able to do that because I have another commitment, rather than, well, I'm going out to the cinema or I'm going to do this or I'm going to do that. I've spoken about this sort of thing before, but yeah, I'm really sorry I can't help you on that day because I have another commitment. So I'm going to go off to Brighton, have my great day and not feel guilty. So if you want to make time for yourself, pop it in the diary so it's in and it won't be moved. Practice. Practice makes permanent.